What up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Wake Up with Wops. I gave you 3 stocks in the previous stock video of what I was entering and why. We got stopped out on all 3, literally the next day. Let's go over it. Starting with SGML Lithium. We got stopped out because we thought we were going to hold this 50-day average, the 50 SMA, around 638. And we had our stop loss around maybe, I think it was 580. It dipped down yesterday to 572 and then it recovered and now it's up. If it remounts to moving averages, I still like it because it's coming out of this little bottom we see here. Plus, we have that 200-day average. I'm hoping it breaks that soon. We're going to continue watching this. I don't mind always re-entering. Robinhood, the idea was there. It remounted the 9 EMA and 20 SMA, and we thought it was going to hold there, maybe consolidate there, but it's pulled back the last 2 days. I had the stop loss under this candle, the last green candle. So I literally went through our stop loss, hit the 50-day average, this yellow line, and recovered since then. And today it's up around 5%. So it's looking good right now. I should have had a looser stop loss, knowing that the market is very, very choppy and this stock, Robinhood, is very volatile. Also, I knew that 50-day average was there around 123. So I should have put that into mind and put the stop loss a little bit looser. It would have ate into the rewards and made it not as a juicy trade, but at least I think it's for sure going to hit the top. You could get chopped out of a good trade sometimes with volatility, so I should have been better with that. And Roblox not looking as good as Robinhood. We wanted to anticipate a breakout of the all-time highs, but pulled back more to the 50-day average and literally bounced like right off our stop loss. And now it's just consolidating around that 129 level. I still like Roblox, but we have earnings in 7 days, so it's not enough time to break out and get that good reward. And I don't want to hold through earnings, so I decided to get out. 2 stocks I'm looking at maybe to re-enter before the market close. Oracle, I say re-enter because we had a stock entry around 309 earlier last week, and we talked about it on the channel. We were up for like 2 days, and then it's pulled back, and we ended up getting stopped out of that trade. We talked about in that video when we got stopped out that the next support should be around 274, around like this yellow line, the 50-day average, and it has a good reaction to it today. You can see it held the 50-day yesterday with that little red candle, and today strong candle breaking out the highs of those last 2 days. So I entered, or I'm looking to re-enter into Oracle. I'm also looking at IONQ. It looked better earlier before when I was prepping for this video, and now it's been pulling back since I started doing this video. We had that 50-day average there around 57.32. So if it keeps going lower and it finds support there, and maybe that could be a potential entry. I kind of like to wait for a confirmation, maybe like a green candle, some type of strength. But here you could kind of play a little bit oversold. There's 1, 2, 3, about 8, 9 sell-off days. So there's like a bounce in it. I think there has to be a quick reflex bounce coming soon for IONQ. So keep that in mind. We did sell some Microsoft. We have earnings coming up in 6 days. It's not going to really reach our take profit. It's been ranging since we entered. Very, very low ATR, which is the average true range, which is how much a stock moves up and down. It's not the best. I've been holding it for a while, so I decided to take profits. We entered around 513 and we sold around 522. ANET, we did get a little bit to our target. We sold a little bit before, but it was a perfect trade. We saw the support here at the 50-day average, and it was looking good. So we entered, and now we sold around 10 points later at 153. We entered around 142, 143. And then Meta, kind of the same thing with Microsoft. Earnings are in 6 days. We have that 50-day average there around 743. That could be the next resistance spot where it hits that and then it rejects. So I decided to just take profits in Meta and just wait for earnings.